Can't even. Sit. One catch. Dog loves chicken. No.
Do you remember a film called Cowan?
No, sit. Still caught it. Yes, I'm giving my dog chicken. Why? Because the chicken was nasty and horrible. And yeah, this thing is about to die, but oh well. Okay, sit. Nope, sit. Oh, you missed.
That thing is a play to it before. Have you noticed it? It's a guy orgy.
That piece is too big. Go over there and sit. No. Go sit. 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 What? You want the chicken? Nope. Sit. You want it? No. Sit. Chicken. Ciao. No. You stay. Stay. Good boy. Voila. Say hi, CJ. Ciao. Okay, that's enough because the camera's about to die. Peace out, bitches.